In this video, I'm going to show you why it is so important to bring some sort of ice axe when you're climbing any sort of slope that's snowy and icy. In this video, you're going to see a woman begin sliding completely out of control. She just had her trekking poles and tennis shoes, was kicking around, no crampons, nothing, no ice axe, and she was flailing around. The only reason she didn't die is because when she was climbing down with her family, the snow had slushed out, thank goodness. Otherwise, shoo, she would have been toast. So always bring an ice axe. That's why I love this Coursera Nanotech by Camp. Super light, always in my backpack, ready to go. So let's go check it out. When I was climbing on Gannett Peak and nearly saw somebody lose their life. Unplanned descent. Glad she's okay. Woo.